morning all. Welcome to another info session of Cernal Chemicals.
Yeah, you see, Daniel, it's already not correct. I'll handle the hosting. Good morning and welcome to another product info session presented to you by Cernal Chemicals, or as you know it by now, Speaker Bicky Soaps. As always, myself, Stefan, here, and to my right we have Ogrote, who tried to be the host now, but we see that didn't work. Morning, Daniel.
Morning, Stefan.
So, Daniel, we are doing Mrs. Clean today.
Yes.
Mrs. Clean. It sounds good on the tongue. Mrs. Clean. So, Daniel, what is Mrs. Clean?
It's for the missus.
Well, I hope not.
No. So, Stefan, so Mrs. Clean is a cleaning cream, basically. I am going to say it. It's basically Handy Andy, as you get it in the stores and so. We all know Handy Andy, so Mrs. Clean is our version of Handy Andy, I would say. Or that the same almost type of product.
Okay, so it's also a cleaning cream.
Yes.
That can be used on multiple surfaces.
Multi-surfaces, your stoves, your kitchen areas, any hard surface in your kitchen and so. You can use Mrs. Clean. All you do is you basically squirt it onto the surface that you want to, take a sponge or so and wipe it off. And then just rinse afterwards.
Okay.
A very easy product to use.
Very easy product to use.
Yes.
More in your kitchen area.
Yes.
Industrial and household.
Yeah.
Safety precautions when it comes to Mrs. Clean.
I would say don't drink it.
Yeah, which is common sense, but it's not like the other products we do where you.
No, it's not a corrosive product. Obviously, don't get it in your eyes as well. It's got a nice lemon smell to it, so it's fine. But it's not a corrosive product that will burn your skin or anything like that. So that's it basically.
Okay.
No,
available as with all the products, 5 litre.
Yes, 5 litres, 25 litres. And with Mrs. Clean, we also do COC. So you bring your own container and we refill it for you.
Okay, we are.
Yes.
Which
and
is
then
great.
obviously we do the bulk part, which is 200 litres up to 1,000 litres.
Yeah.
Yes.
As always, we manufacture the products locally here in Windhoek, so we can, if it comes to packaging, we can put it in anything you want us to put it. There's no limit, not like some of the other guys just bringing in already made things from South Africa. This is locally manufactured products in Windhoek. That's why the packaging isn't a problem. So Daniel, as you know by now, if it comes to Cernal Chemicals, we don't just give you the product and say you're on your way. We supply you with all the cleaning equipment that goes along with this. That will either be, well, I don't think a steel wool.
We have the steel wool. We do the sponges that you will need to use.
No. I know we do the steel wool. I don't think it's necessary for scrubbing that hard when using Mrs. Clean. So that would basically be your sponges, your lapis, and that's basically that.
Yes, Stefan.
Great.
Okay.
Thank you. We are doing, at the end of the video, as always, there's a quick video showing the effects of the product, a demonstration video. If you have any questions, the data sheet is also attached, and if there's anything else, please don't hesitate to contact myself or Ogrote. We will be more than happy to assist. Okay, lekker. Mrs. Clean me now.
Cernal Chemicals, get your laundry out.